Hello, welcome back to Hayward Junction. I'm back with an update to the Wi-Fi throttle after spending some time away working on the Servo Controller that you might have seen. Got some new features to show, and the web interface has been completely redone using Vue.js, so it's a bit more modern. Visually it's mostly the same. The biggest change came with the groups, which I'm going to include a comparison so you can see the old versus the new, but still supports all the previous drag and drop options of the function editor for the locos. Little icon on the end of the row. Click and hold that, you'll be able to drag a row about. Click and hold a button, you'll be able to drag that about. Clicking on a button opens up the editor so you can change its options. And then that little icon is just for toggling the preview so you can give it a quick check. Clicking the X won't apply the changes, so you can ignore it, or if you click the tick it does apply changes. The groups editor had a major overhaul. The last one was pretty simple, where you had to type in your own IDs for locos and this now, but as well as being able to do that, it will also list the current locos that you have configs for, so you can build them up much easier. This is the old groups editor, which is much more simple. Basic, just order, you have to type your own number, and remember to add a comma to separate the locos as well. But the new one, you can drag and drop from existing locos it knows about and drag them between groups as well. Clicking that icon shows which locos are currently in the group. You can drag between locos between groups. Clicking the plus icon, you can add locos to a group. So you can select from the list which is locos that the throttle currently has configs for, or you can type in individual loco addresses separated by a comma to provide multiple as well. And again, all of these could just be dragged and dropped. If it doesn't have a config, it will keep the local ID but just come up with name unknown. And then if you click discard changes, it won't remember anything that you've saved. It will go back to the last save. Now onto changes on the actual throttle itself. I've added the new accessories option, so you can enable and disable accessories as well. Gives you the keypad option to select the address. New settings. This is because there's certain swipe options that the loco UI has, and you can configure each one. So swiping down, you can then select it to bring up the groups selector. You can swipe to flick between active locos that you've already got. Change the down swipe to keypad. And then you can instantly select another loco. The active locos are only ones that you've currently requested on the throttle itself, not all the active locos that the DCC EX command station might be controlling. That's all for this update. There's still some more refactoring and debugging and such to do. Need to 3D print a case so I can get that in, fitted with a battery and the switch to turn it off as well, but still give you the ability to charge and whatnot. Hopefully it won't be too much longer, so thanks for watching.